To change the icon style in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select personalization. After that, move down to the themes. Now this is a bit tricky, so you want to find a theme with icons that you like. So scroll down right here and pay attention to the themes and their price. So I'm gonna be looking for free ones, but there's also some of the themes that cost money, so you will need to pay actual money to get that theme with the icons. I'm gonna go for let's say this one right here. Then we can download it. Now we can apply this specific theme. There's also a customize button, so let's click on the customize and turn off lock screen change, home screen change, and system UI change. That way it will only apply changes to our icons. After we apply them, we'll get a brand new icon style. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.